Okay, let's go to page 380 and start with number 13. So you got x to the 4 plus 3x to the 2 minus 4 equal to 0. And this you want to list the possibility for nature of the roots of each equation. Okay, so basically you want to know how many positive, how many negative, and how many imaginary numbers that you're going to have. Okay, so first what you do is just see how many times you change the sign. So this is positive to positive, so it doesn't change from here. So that's 1. Okay, so you change 1 time, so it will be maximum of 1 positive answers. Now to do the negative, you have to replace x by negative. Okay, so you're going to replace the x by negative x. Okay, and then this is going to become x to the 4 plus 3x squared minus 4 equal to 0. And also it's become the same. So again, this one doesn't change, this one change. So you're going to get 1 negative. Now because this is to the 4th power, so there'll be total 4 answers. So you got 1 and 1, so you're going to get 2. Okay? So that's the maximum. And after that, you have to go down by 2. But since it's already 1, you cannot go down by 2. So that's the maximum. And so this one has only 1 possibility. Okay? So it'll be 1 positive, 1 negative, and 2 imaginary numbers. Okay? And again, if you notice over here, okay, when you replace x by negative x, the even power will stay the same. The odd power will change. Okay? Okay, so let's go to number 15. Okay, you got x to the 4 plus 2x to the 3 plus x to the 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? So again, positive, negative, imaginary answers. Okay? So you can see how many times we change signs. So positive to positive doesn't change, does not change, does not change. Okay? So this one have no positive roots. Okay, now next you replace the x by negative x. And you simplify, so this still get x to the 4. This will give you negative, okay? And this will be positive. Okay, so see how many times it change sign. So this one change sign, this one change sign, this one does not. Okay, so there will be 2 negative answers. Now because this is the 4th power, so there will be 4 answers. So if you get 2, you get no positive, 2 negative, you need to get 2 imaginary. Okay, so this is your primary. Then after that, the positive and negative, you can go down by 2 from the maximum. Okay, so another possibility would be 0, 0. Well, if you got 0, 0, then you need to have a 4, right? Again, you need to get total of 4 answers. Okay, so these are your 2 possibilities. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you got x to the 5 minus x to the 3 minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so again, so this one good, this one no, no. Okay, so you only get 1 positive maximum. Okay, now let's go and switch to the negative powers. So change the x into negative x. So this one become negative x to the 5. Now this become negative, and negative times negative will give you positive. Okay, so basically you're going to get 3 negative here and 1 negative. So 4 negative, it become positive. X to the 3, and this become plus x. Okay. Okay, so now let's go and see. So this one change, no, change. So that's good. Okay, so you're going to get 2. Okay. So again, when you make x into negative x, you're getting the maximum negative answers. So again, 5th power, you need to get total 5 answers. So now you got 1 positive, 2 negative. You're going to get 2 imaginary. So again, this is your maximum. Okay. Then after that, you can go down by 2s. So this one you cannot go down. So this one can go down by 2, so it becomes 0. So you get 1, 0, so it becomes a 4 to get total of 5 answers. Okay, so you get 2 possible answers. Okay, let's go to number 19. So you got x to the 5 minus x to the 3 minus x to the 2 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so this one good, it changed. This one does not. This one changed, so that's good. This one changed, so that's good. So you can get maximum of 3 positive answers. Okay, so now let's go and switch to the negative power. Okay, so make x into negative x. So just make x into a negative x, and make sure you put parentheses. Okay, and again, you can skip this step if you know that the the odd number exponent is going to change. Okay, and this one would become plus x to the 3. This one would become minus x squared, and this one would become minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so this one changed, so that's good. It changed, so that one is good. No, no. Okay, and so you're going to get 2 negatives. Now, because you're going to get total of 5 answers, so you got 3 and 2, so you get 0 over here. Okay, so again, this is your max. Okay, now you can go down by 2s. Okay, so one possibility is you can go 3, 0, 2. Okay, you can make this go down by 2, or you can make this one go down by 2. Okay, so you can go 1, 2, 2. Again, the total they equal to 5. Okay, so you can make this go down, or this can go down. Okay, or you can make both go down. So it'll be 1, 0, 4. Again, you have to go down by pairs. Okay, so this one has 4 different possibilities. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 21, you're looking for the 4th degree polynomial equation. Okay, so you have 2i, and you got 1 minus I. Okay, well, in order to have an integral coefficient, means there's no I, so it means you have to have a conjugate. So I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to have R1 equal to 2i, and R2 equal to minus 2i. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to do it on this side. So R1 equal to 1 minus I, and R2 equal to 1 plus I. And I'm going to use the root equation. Okay, the root equation is an x squared minus R1 plus R2 x plus R1 R2 equal to 0. Okay, so I'm going to apply this to both sides. So for this one, I'm going to have x squared minus, again, I'm going to just write this as a template, right? So when I add, notice when I add, this can cancel out. Okay, when I multiply, I'm going to get negative, right? Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 2 is 4. I times I is positive. Okay, and so from this 2, I get x squared plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, I'm going to do the same over here. Okay, so I'm going to get x squared minus something plus something equal to 0, right? Okay, so this is adding. So when I add, this will cancel out. So I get 2. Okay, when I multiply, okay, nice thing about conjugate is that you multiply the corresponding numbers, right? So 1 times 1 is 1, plus times minus is minus. Okay, I times I is negative 1, so it becomes plus 1. So from this 2, I get, so these 2 answers came from x squared minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to put all this together. So I'm going to put it together, so I get x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So put these 2 together. Okay, so basically I'm going backward. Okay, so from my equation, I can factor into this, and from here, I set this equal to 0, set this equal to 0 to solve. So from here, I get these 2 answers. From this, I get 2 answers. So I'm just going backward. Okay, so now let's go and distribute. So I get x to the 4 minus 2x to the 3 plus 2x squared. Okay, and I'm done, so I multiply this. So I get plus 4x squared minus 8x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so I get x to the 4 minus 2x to the 3 plus 6x squared minus 8x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, and double check. Okay, everything's good. Okay, so this is my answer.